Okay, in this video we're just going to look at the expectation, variance and mode of the binomial distribution. So first thing, if we have a binomial distribution, then the expectation is just equal to NP. So that is dead easy. Your N is just your number of trials, your P is your probability of success, your expectation is NP. And your variance is NPQ, dead easy. The mode is a wee bit trickier. To find the mode of binomial distribution, test the probabilities of values close to the mean. So NP, the mean is NP, and see which is most likely, so which one has the biggest probability. So first thing we're doing here, I don't think this one involves the mode. We just want to find probability x is equal to 5. So first thing, just say how this is set up. In this one, x is distributive binomial 8 and 0.4. So probability x is equal to 5. I'm going to show on my working out here. You could do this using your PD function, your calculator, absolutely no reason why not, but I'm going to do it the long way. That's going to be 8c5 times 0.4 to the power of 5 times my q, which is going to be 1 minus 0.4, so 0.6, and it's the power of 3. Remember, this number plus this number has to add up to the n. And file that into your calculator, you get 0.1238. Okay, sorry, that was my answer to part A. Part B, I'm definitely going to use my cumulative binomial function on the calculator. So part B, it said for me to find probability x is less than 6. Now the only thing you've got to worry about, x is less than 6, is the same as probability x is less than or equal to 5, which is what the calculator gives you. So you go you go mode and then 7. I'll just do this myself, mode and 7. And then go down to binomial CD, and then number 2 for the variable, and your n, remember, is, your x is 5, your n is 8, and your p, your probability of success, is 0.4. So just put those three things in. So x is 5, n is 8, and your p is 0.4. Press equals, and it should give you the right thing. It should give you so probability x is less than 6 is equal to 0.9502 to 4 sig figs. Okay, next one. It says to find probability x is less than e of x, so your expected value. So first of all, you've got to work out what your e of x is. E of x, remember, is NP. So that's just going to be 8 times 0.4, which is 3.2. So really what we want to find is probability that x is less than 3.2. So really that's the same as probability that x is less than or equal to 3. So again, you can do that on your calculator. Or your tables, whatever way you want to do. And I did that using the calculator. I got 0.5941. And part D, nice easy question. Asked me just for my variance of x. Variance of x, remember, is NPQ. So my n was 8, my p was 0.4, my q is 0.6. And if you do that out, you are going to get 1.92. Okay, nice wee example. This one is you've got to find all knowns. It says the x is distributed with binomial NP with mean 5 and standard deviation 2. So that means NP is equal to 5 because your mean is equal to NP, and also the standard deviation is equal to 2. So just write that down. Standard deviation equals 2. That means your variance, remember, variance is equal to standard deviation squared, so 2 squared, so your variance is equal to 4. So that gives you 4 is equal to NPQ. So you've got your mean is equal to 5 and your variance is equal to 4. Okay, all I've done then is I have just said my Q is, I'm just going to rewrite this one with my Q written in terms of P. So that's Q is 1 minus P, remember. And then we also know that NP is equal to 5. So I can say 4 is equal to 5 times 1 minus P, because we knew NP is the same as 5 from earlier on. So we'll go up here from this, and we'll say then the 5 divides across, so you've got 4 over 5 is equal to 1 minus p, or that's just me 0.8 is equal to 1 minus p. So bring that across, swap the p and the 0.8 around, and you're going to get your p is equal to 0.2. Go back to the start then, you knew that np is equal to 5, so that's now n times 0.2 is equal to 5, so n is equal to 5 divided by 0.2, and 5 divided by 0.2 is going to be 25. So your answer, tidy it up just, n is equal to, p is equal to 0.2, n is equal to 25. Okay, our last example says the probability that people achieves an A star in maths is 0.07. In a randomly selected group of 60 students, what is the most likely number of students awarded an A star? Okay, this is to do with your mode. So your mode is the most common value. So here we have to find our mode first of all. How we locate the mode is a mode is going to be close to your mean. So first of all, we're going to say we have 60 students, so n is equal to 60. Your probability of success is 0.07. So your expected number, or your mean, is equal to np. So it's 60 times 0.07, which works out to be 4.2. So here we're looking for the mean. So we want to say test values close to NP. So we're going to test our NP, our mean was, our expected value was 4.2. So we're going to test x equals 4, and we're going to test x equals 5. So probability x equals 4 is going to be equal to 60 C4 times 0.07 to the power of 4 times 0.93 to the power of 56, and that works out to be 0.201. Probability x equals 5, very similar, it's going to be 60 C5 times 0.07 to the power of 5 times 0.93 to the power of 55, and that works out to be 0.170. Okay, so the mode, what is a mode? It is a value that has the most, has probability. So the one that's got the highest probability is this one, which was x equals 4. So just say, therefore, 4 is most likely. Therefore, the answer is 4 students. Okay, you're now able to do the binomial exercise. It's exercise 5C. And yeah, I think it was questions 1 to 3 and question 8. Any problems, just get in touch.